Same thing on this side, it's site miter, right? This is longer reveal, so that's why you site apply. Or site apply reveal. See, well, a little bit of it is part of the jam. I don't know how much of it is part of the jam. Oh, it doesn't matter, right? But you can see in there, the joint will be there, right? You know, it's gonna be site applied reveal strip from here to here, and then that little notch is that part of the reveal is part of the jam. You know what I mean? It's like two parts.
Well, yeah, I mean, whatever happened there, the thickness, you can see there is a line there. And
So you
this
see,
is just
can you see a
button.
line? I can't see a line.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So it could be a line there in this it just butt.
yeah, just butt it up
Just
against
butt
it.
it.
Okay, so this is
Oh, I
good.
can see it, here. See the line, huh?
Yeah, I
You
can't
can see there. See here,
Enrico, I can't see anything.
see?
You
See
talking
that?
to a guy? No, I can't see it.
Oh, what happened to your eyes?
I'm 56 years old. Come on, my eyes are gone.
How you see when you go bite downhill?
Oh, that's okay. Everything's a fast blur, anyways. Trees are big. I have like I don't have to close. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, you can see that, right?
Yeah, I can see the line.
That's butt there.
Yeah, so there's a butt. If we can save,
so-
you know what? If we can save these gaps, it'd be nice.